Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Red Cap TV. I promised to go back to Port Harcourt Road, the almighty Port Harcourt Road, where wonders of otilated OT is going on. Julius Berger is wonderfully doing their best there. As you can see, Ebeni Marama, everywhere is wonderful. So Julius Berger is working, Alex Oti is working in Abia State, and everywhere, any place he touch, there will be improvement and light. This is the strongest road ever since 24 years now. This is the strongest road built in Abia State. Yes, the strongest road so far built in Abia State by a professional company. Okay, we are heading to Crystal Park, is where the construction, the third road stopped. They are still constructing from there to flyover. So stay connected, stay tuned. Please, if you are new in my channel, subscribe to enable me serve you better.